Apparently Bruno's actually taking a liking to that fan. I haven't even shown it off yet. That's pretty funny. Anyway, in front of you is, yes, another fan. Another fan. Woohoo. This one being a, maybe a late 60s Penncrest 21 made by Lakewood, model 9721. This was, like I said, an eBay item that I got a couple hours ago. Came FedEx. Just unboxed it. And I'll get to show it off in a minute. Yeah. You see that? 2-speed. Penncrest 21. Nice. Has little sparklies. Sparklies! And pick it up. It's a little heavy, but yeah. Model 9721. Dogs are going off again. And on the back, GE motor. I mean, I really shouldn't have anything to worry about. I mean, I keep my motors well oiled anyway, so I shouldn't have anything to worry about. As you can tell, it's actually slightly similar to my early 70s Lakewood S122. The only difference is that one has metal grills that can easily come off. This has plastic grills that you need to unscrew. And this one is still missing the rear grill, but that's okay. Same GE motor. 2-speed, but in a way it's different but the same. So I need to get that dusted off, but yeah. Either way, I'm not getting rid of this one either. It's too nice anyway. So without further ado, here's Hi. Bruno, you can't get blown away. Cool. Very nice. So I guess in a way that's it for now. I mean, got a lovely vintage box fan, and pretty much everything's going to be okay. Unfortunately, there's still some other things I need to iron out, but that just comes with everything else. Anyway, I hope you did enjoy this little tidbit. I'm Esky. I'm signing out for this video, and this may be my last video for at least a few days because I got my holiday coming up this weekend, and it's going to be a little bit hectic trying to get ready for it. So until then, have a great night. Ooh, bacon, and cheeseburger, and bacon, and a bun, and bacon. Bacon is good.